Hello my dear students. So today we are going to learn AVL tree. Okay. So why we are studying this AVL tree? What is the requirement to study this AVL tree? So an AVL tree is a balanced binary search tree. Okay, it is a balanced binary search tree. So we have seen earlier that in binary search tree we have that two heights, that is maximum height and minimum height in worst case scenario. If you don't know this, kindly watch my previous video. Okay, so to restrict the height of that binary search tree so that the complexity of the tree will be lesser, so that's why we are studying this AVL tree. So we'll have some mechanism, we will use some mechanism so that the height of the tree will be get reduced, otherwise the complexity will be get higher. So to reduce the complexity of binary search tree, we are using this AVL tree concept. Okay, so again, an AVL tree is a balanced binary search tree. We know this binary search tree, watch my previous video. Okay, so the balanced, okay, so balanced tree are useful data structure that are useful to store the data at some specific location, as compared to this simple binary tree. The balanced search trees are more efficient because the insertion or deletion of nodes in data structure requires log n of time. Okay, log n is the ideal condition for complete binary search tree. So a complete binary search tree is known as what? Balanced binary or AVL tree. Okay, so that is complete binary tree or balanced tree or AVL tree. These are the same things. Okay, because they are balanced, properly balanced. We'll see that one. So how can we define this balanced tree? Okay, a balanced tree is a rooted tree where each subtree of the root has equal number of nodes, and that is of complete binary tree. Okay, so in an AVL tree, balance factor of every node is either -1, 0 or +1. To see the balance of the tree, in each node we'll have to calculate this balance factor. So how to calculate this balance factor? We have this formula. So we'll have to calculate the height of left subtree, and that is the distance of a node of left subtree to the leaf node, root to the leaf node of left subtree, minus height of right subtree from root to the leaf node of right subtree. Okay, and the value should be -1, 0 or +1. It means the tree is balanced. Okay, we'll see that one. Let's take an example. Okay, we have this root node is given there. Okay, and we have this tree. Let's try to calculate the balance factor of this node. So at left subtree there will be no node, so no distance. So what is distance is what? 0. What will be the right subtree distance? Is 1. Only one node is there. Okay, so 0 minus 1 is what? -1. Okay, try to calculate this one. Okay, what is the height of the left subtree? And that is the distance of node, leaf node from this node. So leaf node is from we'll have to traverse towards leaf node. So this is 1 and this is 2. So 2 is the left subtree. Okay, where is right? Right is having value 1. So 2 minus 1 and what? This is 1. If try to understand this one. If it is not having left subtree or right subtree, it is going to give you the value 0. No value there. So 0 minus 0, it is going to give you 0. Let's try to understand, calculate this one. If the balance factor value is in between, if the value is -1, 0 and 1, it will be acceptable, it will be balanced. Okay, so now let's try to understand balance factor of this one. That is the longest route towards leaf. Okay, from the root node. Okay, the longest leaf node is what? 1, 2, 1, 3, and that is 3 left subtree, right? 1, 2, 3. Any one of the branch can be taken. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The longest leaf. It should be a longest leaf node. Okay. So 3 minus 3 is what? 0. So that is the procedure how we are going to calculate this balance factor of any node. Okay. So see, every AVL tree is a binary search tree, but all the binary search tree need not to be AVL tree, and that's why we are doing this procedure to make a tree balance. So every AVL tree is a binary tree. We know this is for sure. This is for sure. But every binary search tree need not to be AVL. Definitely, if we'll have left skewed tree, if we'll have right skewed tree, then it will be not going to be an AVL tree, because the balancing factor is not in between -1, 1 or 0. Okay, it will be get exceeded that one. So what is the process to get this to balance the tree? So rotation is the process of moving the nodes to either left or right to make the tree balance. So to make a tree balance, we'll do some movements. Either it will going to be a left movement or right movement. We see. So what kind of rotations we have? We have two kind of rotation, that is single rotations and double rotation. In single rotation we have two sections, that is left rotation and right rotations. Okay. So we'll see that how it is going to work. And in double rotation we have left right rotation and right left rotation. Okay, let's see. So in single right rotation, what is happening? We have this example is given. Okay, try to understand. So here we have calculated the balance factor of node. Okay, see, this is balance factor is what? Left node is 0 and right node is having what? 1 and 2. So 0 minus 2 is what? -2, and this is not balanced due to this -2. If it is -1, it is balanced. If it is 1, again it is balanced. If it is 0, again it is balanced. But it is -2, it is imbalanced. So we'll have to do some rotation to get it balanced. So if this is how we are going to take RR rotation. We are going to use this RR rotation. So negative value, it means we are going to take this RR. Okay, so this we'll see that one. What we are going to do? So to make it balance. So RR rotation is what? We'll have to move this node towards left one. So 1 will go this side, 2 will replace this one, and 3 will replace this 2. Okay, so we'll have this one. Now again calculate the balance factor. We have 0, 0, 0. So that is 1 minus 1, 0. No nodes, 0, 0. So this is balance. See? So this rotation is known as RR rotations. Okay, so it is get higher on right side. It is get heavier on the right side, and the value will be negative. So we'll have to do this RR rotations. Okay. So similarly in LL rotation, see the value in positive side. Okay, it means the node will be get higher at left hand side. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 2, and either 0. So 2 minus 0 is what? 2. So it will be get higher at left hand side. Okay, now let's see how we are going to balance it. So we'll do what? LL rotation. LL rotation means we'll have to move node towards right side, one position to right. So 3 will come here, 2 will replace this 3, 1 will replace this 2 position, and now we'll have this one. Again try to get so this is what? LL rotation. Okay, so the left hand side get heavier, and the value is in positive side, and that is greater than 1, positive 1. Okay, so we have left right rotation. Let's try to understand this one also, how we are going to perform this one. So we have this one. This is the unbalanced, that is tree, and we have the value 2, and that is left of right. How it is imbalanced? That is left of right. Okay, so that is the imbalancing. Okay, so we'll have two ways through which we can do this LR rotation. I will let you know. The first one is clearly visible here, and the second I will let you know the shortcut one. Okay, let's try to understand this one. If I'll say LR rotation, it means first of all we'll have to do RR rotation, and then we'll have to do LL rotation. Try to understand. Again, I am repeating this one. First of all, we'll have to do RR rotation, then we'll have to do LL rotation. If we are going to take this LR rotation, and how we are going to take this one? If the node will be higher from left to right. Okay, let's see. And try to understand. Earlier in single rotation, what we have seen that one, the node which will imbalanced, we are going to move that one itself. But here it is not. We are not doing that one. First of all, the node the node which is imbalanced, the next junior node and the next child node, we are going to do that operation, perform that RR rotation in here itself, and then LL rotation will be going to perform in this, which is the imbalanced node. It is try to remember this one. While using this LR rotation, first of all, when we'll have to do this RR rotation, okay, so we'll have to do this RR rotation just child node of this imbalanced node, where we'll have to perform this RR rotation, and then only we are going to perform this LL rotation to that imbalanced node. Okay, now let's try to understand. So we'll do this RR rotation here. Okay, so this is RR rotation. We are performing RR rotation here. So after performing RR rotation, we are going to get this one. Yes or no? 2 will be replaced. 1 is here and 2 will be replaced by here. So we have this one, 3, 2, 1. And now again, this is again imbalance. So again we'll have to make a balance. So again we'll have to do what? LL rotation. So again, by applying this LL rotation, this 3 will come here, 2 will replace here, 1 will replace here, and we'll have this one, balancing factor. And the shortcut one is what? When we have to do this LR rotation directly, we know this one. This will the right child of this, that is L of R. The right one is what we'll have to do. We'll have to directly replace this 3 with this C. So we have A, B, C. Try to understand this. If we have the nodes A, B, C, and then C will replace this A directly, and the nodes are be accordingly arranged. Okay. So 2 will be here, 1 is there, and 3 is there directly. Okay. So in one shot we can do this rotation, or either we'll have to follow this one, LR. First of all, we'll have to perform RR, and then we'll have to LL. Similarly, we have this one. Okay, so it is -2 and it is R of L, right hand side, and then the left hand side it is get heavier. Okay, so this is -2, clearly indicated that it is going to move in right side, and it is for left side. So we'll have to take, again we'll have to do this LL operation first, and then only we have to do this RR rotation. Okay, let's see. First of all, we'll have to do this LL rotation. So 3 will move here, 2 will go there, we'll have this one. Again we'll have to do RR rotation. So 3 will be here, 2 will be here, and 1 will be here. So 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. Okay, we'll see them. And in one shot, what we'll do, this A will be directly replaced by this 2 itself. So 2 will be there, and we have 1, and when we have 3 directly. If you want, this will be directly. We can do directly also. So either process you can use, but make sure that the tree balance factor is 0, 1, or -1. Okay. Let's try to do one practical. Okay, let's try to construct an AVL tree. Okay. So, and each time we'll have to calculate the balance factor. You know how to calculate the balance factor. Okay. Now see. So tree is balanced. The value is, root node is -1. Here 0. How it is -1? That we have no nodes here. That is 0, 1 node, 0, -1, -1. So how we are going to calculate this balance factor? By whenever our node is inserted here, we'll have to calculate balance factor in each node. Okay. Now let's see this one. So while inserting this 3, what will happen? Well, that is, we are going to insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 8. So we have this 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so tree is imbalanced. The balance factor is -2. What we'll have to do? Minus means what we'll have to do? It will get higher in that right side. We'll have to do RR rotation. For RR rotation, we'll have to move this node left. So we are going to move left. See, single rotations is applicable. The node which is unbalanced factor value, we are going to move that one itself. Okay, so we are going to move this one, and after having RR rotation, we'll have this one. Good. Now again we'll have to insert 4. So how we are going to insert this 4? So it's greater than 2, it's greater than 3. Yeah, move 4. 4 is there. So we'll have to calculate the balance. 3 is balanced, we not to do anyone. So now again we are going to insert what? Node number 5. So this is node number 5. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5 will get inserted. It is higher than that value. So here it is. It follows the binary tree a concept. So tree is imbalanced. Now what to do? Tree is imbalanced from where? Tree is imbalanced from here itself. Then this node is also imbalanced, but the lowest one which is imbalanced, we are going to, first of all, we are going to make it balanced. Okay, so it is balanced from right hand side. It is clearly visible, the value is in minus. So we'll do RR rotation, so this will move down, this will come here, and this will come here. Okay, so we have this one. Now again we'll calculate the balance factor, we have this one. So tree is balanced. Now again we are going to insert node number 6. So after inserting node number 6, greater than 4, greater than 5, greater than 6. 6 is there. Calculate the balance factor. This is imbalanced, and it is what? This is a root node. So what we'll have to do? So we'll have to do here RR rotation. Okay, so RR rotation will be directly applied to the node which is imbalanced. So for RR rotation we'll have to move this left hand side. So when it will goes down, what about this 3? 2 will go down, 1 will go down, this 4 will go up. See here, this 4 will going to be up, 2 will be cut down, 1 will be cut down. What about this 3? 3 becomes the right child of 2. It will become the right child of 2 itself. Why it is happening? Let us suppose this 3 is not here. 3 is not here. Okay, now what will happen? 4 will go here, 2 will go down, 1 will go down, 5 will goes here, and 6 will goes here. Okay, so see, 4, 2, 1 and 4, 5, 6. 3 is not here. Let us suppose 3 is not here. So now if you will have to arrange these 3, what will happen? 3 will be lesser than this 4, greater than this 2. Automatically 3 will going to come here itself. 3 will be going to be here. Okay, if we'll move this in this direction, what about this child node? This child will going to get the right side of this element. Okay, if you don't understand this concept, try to understand. Just delete this node here, just do the arrangements, and after that put that things over there by using Bannister's tree, and that will be the right one. Okay, hope you have got this one. Okay, good. And in some books and in some kind of video channels, they have imposed it as a rule here also, that this is a rule. If you are going to move and it is having the left child, it is going to get this place itself, and that is the rule. If you want to understand it by using that kind of rule, you can understand. Okay, so this is the basic concept. So again inserting 7 we have here. We have again what? Again we have the tree is imbalanced. What to do? Imbalance from here itself. Right hand side will do RR rotation. So we have this RR rotation, and again tree will be get balanced. So this is tree is balanced. Okay, good. So this is balanced tree what we have right now. Okay, good. Now see, whenever the tree is balanced, it is easy. If see, try to understand, if this tree is balanced, what is the complexity? And that is the height of the tree. The maximum number of comparison, I have told you, that is the height of the tree, that is 4. And how many comparisons you want? 1 comparison, 2 comparison, 3 comparison, and 4 comparison to find an element. Maximum 4 comparison. Okay, we know this. How to height is 3, and 3 plus 1, that is 4. If you don't know how to calculate the complexity of this binary tree, please watch my previous video. Okay, so this is if it will be the, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I'll do that 1, 2 is greater than that 1. Okay, right hand side 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many levels it is having? Right now it is having 1, 2, 3, 4 levels, and it is going to be in 8 levels down. Okay, so that is how we are going to be balance this tree, and the complexity of the tree will be get reduced. So now again I am taking an example. So we are going to take it very fast. Okay, so see, these are the elements which I am going to insert now. Let's try to do it that one, that is 14, 17, 11, 7, 53, and the tree is balanced. Try to understand, whenever you are inserting any node, always calculate the balance factor in each node. Okay, Now 7, what will happen? If I'll insert this 4, what will happen? The tree is imbalanced. Which one? This one. Okay. This one will imbalanced in the terms of left hand side. So we have 2 minus 0, that is 2. Okay. Left hand side will have to take what? LL rotation. Okay. So LL rotation what? 7 will be there, 11 will be there. Okay. Good. So 7 and 11. Okay. Now again inserting what? Node number 13. What will happen? Nothing will happen. Now what will happen? Now insert 11. Now insert 12. What will happen? Try to understand which node is imbalanced. This node is imbalanced first. Okay. So what will have? This is what? This is. Let's try to understand what is happening here. What I am trying to do. So see, this is what? R of L. So what we'll have to do? First of all, R of L. It means LL then RR. Okay. So first of all, you do LL rotation. 12 will be there, and now again what? RR. Okay. So this will not become 12. Okay. Let's see. RR 12 will be there. 11 will be there. Okay. Let's see. Now again, now the tree is balanced. Good. Now insert 8. Now what is imbalanced? This is imbalanced. Now what to do? This is imbalanced. How it is imbalanced? Try to understand. This is what? 1. This is what? 1, 2, 3. So 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. How to do this one? First of all, we'll do what? And this is R of L. So first of all, we'll have to do LL rotation, and then we'll have going to do RR. So LL is what? It is going to be here. So 11 is here. Yes or no? Good. And now what will happen? 11 will go there. See, if 11 will be go there, 7 will go down, 4 will go down. What about this 8? What about this 8? Try to remember the concept. 8 will be goes here. 7's right side. Okay. Or try to delete this 8, make the tree rotation, take the RR rotation, and after that put this 8 here. Okay. Good. We have this one. Good. Now tree is balanced. Now remove 53. Try to remove this 53. We are trying to get this 53, and what will happen? Tree is unbalanced from where? Tree is imbalanced from here, root hand side. What will have to do? What? 1, 2, 3. 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Right hand side. From left hand side it is, from left hand side tree it is get heavier. So we'll have to do a LL rotation. Okay, see. Now see, what will happen? If I'll do LL rotation? This 11 comes here, 14 will goes down. Now it is having, 11 is having 2. More than 2 is also possible, and only 2 trees. What will happen to these 2 trees? So 12 will goes there. Try to understand, if 11 will come here, 14 will be the right hand side tree. So right hand side will be not this one. So where this nodes will be going? So it is going to be the left hand side of this 14 itself. 14 will go down, 17 will be the right of this 14. So left hand side will be get freed. It will be get by this 12 itself. Or delete this one, move this one, 17 there, 12, where 12, 11 greater than 12. See, 12 is greater than 11, it comes here it will be 14 will go down, 14, and lesser than 14, 12 will become there. Then 13, again put that 13 will going to take the right place of this 13. Okay, whatever with the process you want, you can do this one. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, good. Now again remove 11. So try to understand, if we'll remove this 11, that is root node, which node is going to take the place? Which node? So the rule says that in order successor of this 11 will be going to take place. In order successor. So how to get the in order successor? Okay. How to get in order successor? In order. So what we'll have to do, from each node, in order. So means we'll have to do traverse in order fashion. Okay. In order. You know that tree traversal techniques, where we have pre-order, post-order, and in order. So how to do this in order traversal? Try to understand, try to cut it. We'll have to traverse each node only once and in one way itself. So this is how we are going to take care of this. So see, the first one is this. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Good. So in order successor is what? In order, the rule says in order successor means 11 will be get replaced by which? 12. 12 will be the in order successor of this 11. So we have two ways to, I'm just telling you directly, to replace this root node we'll have two ways. Either from the left subtree you will get the highest value node, or from the right hand side the lowest value one. Again I am repeating this one. Whenever you want to replace this 11 root node, what will happen? We'll have to take care of what? We'll have to take care of in order successor. It means from the right child of this one, the list element, the value is having list, is going to replace this node, or you can take from left hand side the highest node value, that is 8 here. From the left subtree highest value will have to take, from the right subtree the lowest value will have to take, and that is having the meaning same. Okay, in different books they have used different strategies. So these are the two ways. So I am going to take this 8, you can take this 12 also. That is the rule in order successor. Okay, I will show you by taking this 8 itself. It is not going to affect the result. Okay. So replace with the largest in its left branch, that is how we will take in. This is 8, you can take this 12, it is not going to affect the result. Okay, good. So see, it is how it is happening there. That is how we have this node, and what again we are going to remove this 8 itself, and it is going to be replaced with what? 7. The tree is balanced, that's why it is not we are not going to do that rotation. So we have removed 8, we will replace with 7. Now what will happen? The tree is imbalanced. Again we'll have to see how it is imbalanced, and we'll have to do the rotation. See, that is for right to left, for right of left. Okay, so we'll have to take care of that one. First of all, we'll have to do LL rotation. So we'll do LL rotation. So by performing this LL rotation, this 12 will come here, 14 will goes down. Okay, and 13 will be the node of this 14 itself. Yes or no? Let us see. 14 will go down, 12 will be there, and 13 is right node. So right node is having this 14 is there. So we'll have to take care of this. 13 will be the child node of this 14 itself. So this one. Now again, what will happen? We'll have to take a RR rotations. So we'll take RR rotation. 12 will be there. Good. And this is what? This is balanced. Good. So hope the example is clearer to you, and this is for you guys. Try to do and get the answer, and ping me if you are facing any problem. If you are able to make this, it's good. If you are feeling any kind of problem, or you are facing any kind of problem, just ping me once in my WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, dear. Oh, sorry.